Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have been thinking about starting your own Shopify dropshipping business but don't know where to begin, this video is for you. Today I'll show you Fiverr gig where a professional Shopify expert will help you build a profitable Shopify dropshipping store from scratch, fast and professionally. Let's be honest, building a Shopify store isn't just about adding products. You need a clean design, fast loading speed, proper branding, and conversion focused layout if you want sales. That's why hiring a Shopify expert from Fiverr is a smart move. They will set up everything for you from product input to payment setup. I found an amazing Fiverr gig titled I will build Shopify dropshipping store design e-commerce website development. This seller offers custom Shopify store design, complete dropshipping setup, mobile friendly SEO optimized site, integration with top suppliers, and 24/7 support after delivery. You can even choose between basic, standard, premium, any type of package. This is a Fiverr seller. He is a top rated freelancer on Fiverr. He have 32 reviews and all reviews are 5-star. All reviews are 5-star and 32 reviews and 11 orders in queue. Already he have 11 order running. So you can check his basic. He's a top rated freelancer on Fiverr. So he's a very professional, I hope. And he have 3 packages for Shopify dropshipping. Basic package price 125. He will offer basic price starting dropshipping store, Shopify store setup plus basic theme customization, 10 products plus payment integration, mobile optimized within 5 days delivery and 5-time revision. He will revision 5 times any type and within 5 days. And his standard package professional e-commerce store, basic, premium theme customization, 25 products with optimization, essential apps integration within 7 days delivery and 7 revision. Price $245. And also premium complete business solution standard package plus advanced design, 50 products, SEO plus custom branding, marketing automation, 10 days delivery and unlimited revision. This price $495. He is very professional. He have 32 reviews and he is a top rated freelancer. Already 11 orders in queue. So we'll check his portfolio. He have portfolio already. He have so many portfolio. You can check one by one. He have case studies and up to so many portfolio on his here. And also he check his review. He's have 32 reviews and all reviews are 5-star. 1 month ago USA client his review of food reviews. So he is a very professional. If you want to build your Shopify dropshipping store, you can take this service. If you are ready to start your dropshipping journey, check out this gig on Fiverr. I will add this link on my description below. You can click here, you can check out here and you can check and you can contact with him. He is very professional for Shopify dropshipping store. So I hope you are understanding. Don't forget, if this video will help you, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more videos, reviews, comment below what kind of store you want to build next. Thank you so much.